Beauty in the ruins. 32 counts, 2 walls, intermediate. Weight on the right. Section 1, left basic. Side, close, cross. Quarter forward, facing 3 o'clock. Step, pivot, half, quarter side, back to 12. Behind, side. Make a 1/8 turn to 10/30 diagonal, rocking chair, forward rock, back rock. Count section 1. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and. Section 2. Forward right with sweep 1/8, square up to 12. 3/8 diamond fall away, cross 1/8 back, back. Behind 1/8 side, 1/8 forward, facing 10/30. When you do the forward, push arm to the side. Make a half turn, lean back on right. Draw right arm in front of chest. Now facing 130. Make a full spiral. Draw left arm in front of chest. Full spiral. Back to 130. Make a 5/8 run around from 130 to 9 o'clock. Right, left, right with sweep facing 9. Count section 2. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Section 3. Cross, side, collect. Open body to left diagonal. Cross, quarter back, quarter side to 3 o'clock. Sway to the right. Sway left, sway right, drag into hitch. To 4:30 diagonal, run, run. Count section 3. 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, and. Section 4. Cross rock, recover. Ball to the side, scrap to 3 o'clock. Weave, cross, side, behind, side. To 130 diagonal, cross rock with collapse. Recovers, rise up with sweep. Back sweep. Behind, quarter forward, facing 6. And start the dance again. Side. Count section 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and start again. 1. Tag at the end of wall 1 and wall 3, facing 6 o'clock. 4 counts. Left basic and right basic. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and start again. Whole dance count. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and tag. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. Back wall with optional arms. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and. Wall 7 is the last wall. Dance end at count 5. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5.